When exporting data from a John Deere Gen 4 monitor, the first thing you want to do is turn the vehicle key to the on position or start the vehicle. This will initiate the boot up process for the Gen 4 monitor and load all the necessary settings. Once the monitor is booted, then you can click the accept button on the auto guidance warning message and insert your USB thumb drive into the USB port located in the right hand corner of the cab just above the cup holders. Once you have inserted your USB thumb drive, this will then initiate the loading of a USB drive options page on the monitor, which you can then select the necessary process that you intend to carry out. In this case, we will click the export data option. Please allow adequate time for it takes just a few seconds for the monitor to respond to this command. Next, you will click the custom export, which allows you the option to export from a single field, and then make sure that you're exporting to the USB drive. Next, you will make sure that you select the client farm field, and then select the field box, which will open a list of fields residing in this monitor. This is only an option on the Gen 4 monitors. You will want to then cycle through this list, find the necessary field that you intend to export data from, and select that field. Once you have selected that field, you can then click OK. You can then click Next, and this will show you the data types available for that field. In this scenario, we want to click the work data, for this will decrease the amount of time it takes to export the information. Cycle through, make sure that the work data is the only thing selected, click Export. This will begin the export process, and then we will get an Export Data Complete message. Click OK. You can then remove your USB thumb drive from the USB port. All the information that was exported from your monitor now resides on both the monitor and your USB thumb drive. After you've removed your USB thumb drive, you may then close out of the File Manager window, and this concludes the export process.